Namaskar students. Do you like listening to stories? Yes, we all do. There are different types of stories. Arabian Nights, bedtime stories, fairy tales, Aesop's fables and many more. Today we are going to understand what Aesop's fables are. What is a fable? Fables are short stories that have a moral or message for us, something to learn and keep in mind as we grow up. Most of the fables have animal characters who think and act just like human beings. It is believed that many of the fables were first told by a wise person called Aesop. His stories became so popular that people passed them on from generation to generation. Many proverbs and sayings that we use today are based on these fables. But who was Aesop? Aesop lived hundreds of years ago in a country called Greece. He is famous for his fables. Interesting, Aesop didn't write down any of his fables, but after his death they were written down for him by a monk. Monk is a male member of a religious community. Some famous Aesop's fables are The Fox and the Crow, The Lion and the Mouse, The Fox and the Grapes. So children, today we are going to listen to a famous Aesop fable, The Dog in the Manger, from our English Bal Bharati textbook, Unit 1, Lesson 2, Aesop's Fables. The Dog in the Manger. Once a dog was looking for a nice and comfortable place to lie down. He came to the manger of an ox and jumped onto the hay to rest. Manger means a long open box in a cattle shed. Cattle eats hay kept for them in the manger. Hay means cut and dried grass used as food for animals. It was a very hot afternoon. After a while, the ox returned from the field. He had worked hard in the hot sun and was now quite hungry. He stood in his stall and was planning to eat the hay that was put in the manger for him. Stall means a part of a cattle shed or stable. Generally, each animal has one stall for itself. However, when he reached for the hay, the dog saw him. Standing in the manger, he began to bark loudly at the ox. Each time that the ox came near the hay, the dog snarled, barked, and snapped at the ox. He would not allow the ox to eat his hay. Oxen are generally peace-loving and patient animals. But finally, the ox got upset and spoke firmly. Dog, if you wanted to share my dinner with me, I would not mind it. But you neither eat the hay nor allow me to enjoy it. It is of no use to you. Then why don't you let me have my favorite food? Don't begrudge others what you don't enjoy yourself. Begrudge means be unwilling to give, being unhappy that someone is getting something. So children, I hope you enjoyed the story. But what did we learn from the story? People often grudge others what they cannot enjoy themselves. A person should not selfishly keep something that he or she does not really need or want so that others may use or enjoy it. That's all for today. In the next video, we are going to listen to one more interesting Aesop's fables. Till then, keep reading lot of books and enjoy yourself. Bye.